Good day everyone. My name is Adrian Paul Salcedo Agnas and I'm going to present the learning task for distributed database management. So to start, as you can see, I have the primary database which is my database and the database of my partner. And to start, as you can see, we're going to type the create extension if not exists Postgres underscore fdw comma, and we're going to run it. And as you can see, the database is already exists. And the next is we're going to create the foreign servers, and the name of the foreign servers is agent underscore server, and the options host, and the next option is db name, and the next is port. The host is localhost, and the db name is the database name of my partner. So we're going to copy the database name of my partner and paste it into the db name, and the port is 5432, and save it. So the foreign server is already created or already exists. So I show you the server, that one. And the next is we're going to create the user mapping, and we're going to choose a current server, and the options is user, and next is Postgres password, and the user is Postgres, and the password is 1234, and save. So as you can see, the user mapping is already exists. So I already create that one, and I show you. And the next is we're going to type the import foreign schema public from server. The server is agent server into public. So we're going to run this one, and as you can see, and again, as you can see, the agency relation is already exists. And the next is we're going to see the data of the other database, the data of my partner. So we're going to type is select asterisk from agent, and we're going to run it. And as you can see, it's okay. And let's try another example. So select asterisk from agency. So as you can see, the result is okay. And all right.